If you're chasing girls, you're already losing. Real men don't chase, they attract. You want her to want you. Then stop acting like every other guy. These 4 rules will change the game. Be a man with purpose. A man without purpose is a man lost. Girls don't want a follower. They want a man with vision. When you wake up with goals, when you grind in silence, she'll feel your energy before you even speak. Purpose makes you magnetic. Master your masculine energy. Masculine energy is calm, grounded, and unshakable. It's not about flexing. It's about self-control. You stay cool under pressure, you lead with quiet strength, and that energy makes her feel safe and curious. Stop seeking validation. You don't need to impress her. You need to impress yourself. Every time you look for her approval, you lose your value. Walk like you don't need her attention, because you don't. That's when she'll want to give it. Set boundaries and keep standards high. Attraction dies when you have no backbone. If you let her walk all over you, she'll lose respect fast. A real man knows his worth. He doesn't tolerate disrespect, and he doesn't settle just to keep someone around. Boundaries aren't rude, they're power. You don't need more pickup lines. You don't need to act like someone you're not. You just need to become undeniable. Find your purpose, build your mind and body, set your standards, and stop chasing what you can attract. She doesn't want a boy who begs for attention. She wants a man who knows his value. Be that man.